So in previous 4 class we have covered all the things. What is permutation, what is combination, the NPR formula, and permutation when all objects are distinct, when all objects are not distinct, and the notation, factorial notation, etc. Everything we have covered in the previous 4 videos. If you don't watch that video, kindly visit our channel and search the playlist of permutation and combination and then see all that videos. Hi, welcome back to our channel AnganaStudyCenter. Today we will discuss about the miscellaneous example and miscellaneous exercise of your NCERT textbook of the chapter 6, that is permutation and combination of class 11. So in previous 4 class we have covered all the things. What is permutation, what is combination, the NPR formula, and permutation when all objects are distinct, when all objects are not distinct, and the notation, factorial notation, etc. Everything we have covered in the previous 4 videos. If you don't watch that video, kindly visit our channel and search the playlist of permutation and combination and then see all that videos. Okay, so let's start our class. Then look at this question. How many words with or without meaning, each of 3 vowels and 2 consonants can be formed from the letter involute? Okay, so we first look the total letter equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, out of 8, we separate the vowel and consonant. Vowel and consonant. Okay. Here vowel I, O, U, E. Okay. So vowel I, O, U, E. Okay. And rest are consonant. That means N, V, L, T. Okay. So there are total 8 letters. Okay. 4 vowels and 4 consonants. Okay. Now we have to select 3 vowel from this. Select 3 vowel from this 4 vowels and 2 consonant from this 4 consonant. So 3 vowels out of 4 vowels can be selected in just putting the formula here. N equal to 4, that means C, and R equal to 3. Okay, equal to 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 minus 3, that means 1 factorial, equal to 4 ways. Okay, now these 2 consonant out of 4 consonant can be selected in here. N equal to 4, that means 4 C 2 equal to 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, that means 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2. 2 factorial, 2 factorial will be cancelled out and 2 will be cancelled out, therefore 6 ways. Okay, so therefore total number of combination equal to 4 into 6, that means 24. Okay, here we get 24 combination, each of 5 letter, that means 3 plus 2. Then in each combination there is 3 vowel and 2 consonant, so 5 letter. Okay, so each combination consists of 5 letters and can be arranged in 5p5 ways. Out of 5 letter can be arranged in 5p5 ways. That means that is 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 5 factorial, that means 5 factorial ways equal to 120 ways. Okay, so therefore how many words, that means the required words number is here just 120 ways for one combination. Here we have 24 combinations, so just multiply 24 into 120, we get 2880 ways. Okay, this will be the answer. Clear? Let's look at this question. A group consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. Okay, so there are 4 girls and 7 boys. In how many ways can a team of 5 members can be selected? So from that we have to select 5 members. Is when no girls, there is no girls among 5 members, at least 1 boy and 1 girl. There should be at least 1 girl and 1 boy. And third, at least 3 girls, and among 5 there are at least 3 girls. Okay. So for this first we have girls 4 and boys equal to 7. Okay. So from here we have to select 5. Okay. And if there is no girls, okay, there is no girls, that means girls equal to 0. So the 5 member should be chosen from these boys. Okay. So therefore the required number of ways is just here n equal to 7. From 7 members boys, from 7 boys 5 have to select. So 7 C5. Just apply the formula 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial to 7 minus 5 factorial. So we have 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. Just here we have 7 into 6 divided by 2. Just see. So there is 21 ways. Okay. Now for the second. Here say at least 1 boy and at least 1 girl. Okay. So there are more than 1 group. Okay. If just see girl equal to 1. Okay. And boys equal to, we have to select 5 members. So boys should be 4. Okay. So here the condition satisfied, at least 1 girl and at least 1, that means here boys is 4. So above 1. Here in the question says at least 1. So we have above 1. That should be comply this. Okay. So this is one condition. Okay. If girl equal to 2, then boys equal to 3, this is 2. And if girl equal to 3, boys equal to 2, this is 3. And girl equal to 4, boys equal to 1. So these 4 ways we have to find the ways. Okay. So for this first, here 1 girl should be selected from these 4 girls. So this can be taken as 4C1, and 4 boy selected from 7. So just multiply 7C4. Okay. And these 2 selected from 4, that means 4C2 into here 3 selected from 7. So 7C3. And here 3 girl from 4. So 4C3 into boys from 7 we have to select 2. So C2. Okay. And here 4 girl can be chosen from out of 4. That means 4C4 into here 1 boy select from 7. So 7C1. Just calculating this. For this group we have ways. Okay. For this group we have these ways. Okay. And for this group we have these ways. Okay. And for this group we have this ways. Okay. Summation of this we get the total. So therefore the required ways are equal to 4C1 into 7C4 plus 4C2 into 7C3 plus 4C3 into 7C2 plus 4C4 into 7C1. Okay. Just apply the formula. We have 4 factorial 1 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial plus 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Here 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial plus 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 1 factorial into 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 factorial, and here 4c4 equal to 1 into 7 factorial divided by 1 factorial and 6 factorial. Okay, so just cancelling this we get here, okay, and here we have 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 factorial divided by 3 into 2 plus here we have 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial by 2 into 2 plus 4 by 3 factorial equal 4 into 7 into 6, 5 factorial will be cancelled out divided by 2 plus 7 factorial will be, okay. So just cancel out this and this will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out. We have 140 for this, and here we have 210 plus here we have 84 plus we have 7. So just summation this we get 441. Okay, for this 3 we have select at least 3 girls. Okay, so there are more than one group. The groups shall be if 3 girls, then boys equal to, we have 3 girls, so boys equal to 2. Okay, and if 4 girls, so boys equal to 1. Okay, so these 3 girls can be chosen from these 4. So there are 4C, 3 and 2. 2 boys selected from 7. So 7C, 2 boys. Okay, and here also have 4 out of 4. That means 4C4 into here 7C, 1 boys. Just adding this, we will get the value, and this value is your homework. Okay, just do at home. If any difficulty arises, then comment in our comment box. Okay, let's look at this question. Find the number of words with or without meaning which can be made using the letter of again. If these words are written as in a dictionary, what will be the 58th one? Okay, so from again, using this letter, the 5-digit letter can be made in 5 factorial divided by, here a is repeated, so just 2 times, that means divided by 2 factorial wise. Okay, so just calculating this, we have 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial will be 2 factorial will be cancelled out. So there are 60 words. Okay, from this letter we can make. Okay, and now if these words are in dictionary, so in dictionary there are all alphabetically arrangement of words. So in dictionary there should be, the first letter will be A. Okay, so we first find the word begin with A. So just fix A in this point, and there is 4 other letters. Okay, so we now find the total number of words starting with A. Okay, the words starting with A. Okay, here so we have just 4 words. If there is A, there is no, we remove this A, then there is only 4 letters. So these 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. So there is 4 into 3 into 2, that means 24 words. Okay, so total 24 words we can arrange which start with A. Okay, now after A, which letter will start? Here just look, G will start, because A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, okay, so G will be start. So the number of words starting with G is, here we fix G at first, then there is 4 Let us, so if we remove G from again, so there is AAIN. Okay, this 4 letter can be arranged in, so the total number of words will be 4 factorial divided by, here A and A will be repeated, has been repeated 2 times, so just divided by 2. So we can calculate this as 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial, just cancel out 2 factorial, 2 factorial, we have 12 words. Okay, now the work of A and G has been completed. Now there is GHI, so the next letter is I. So the number of words starting with I is, if we fix here I, so there is 4 letter. So if we cancel out from this, so the number of words equal to 4 factorial divided by, here A also repeated, so just divided by 2 factorial. So we have 4, 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial will be cancelled out. So we have got 24, 12 and 12. That means we have got total 24 plus 12 plus 12, that means 48 words. Okay. Now up to I we have get all words. So the next word will be start with here N. Okay. So the 49th word will be start with N, and is, if the word is start with N, we write N, and in dictionary the alphabetically order selected. So after N we have 2A. Okay, so we write double A. Then G has been arrived, so just write as G, and then I. So Nagi will be the 49th word. Okay, so the 50th word will be what word? Here N double A. A will be the same as this A comes in the first position. Then between this G and I, just interchange G and I. So 9 is the 50th word. Okay. Now look at this question. How many numbers greater than 10 lakhs can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 0, 2, 4, 2, 4? Okay. So just look here. Here total digits are 6, 7. Okay. So from the 7 digit, we are going to form the required numbers. Okay. Here 10 lakh is the number of 7 digits. Then look 2, 5, 7. Okay. So the number start with 1, 2, 1, 2 or 4 will be the greater than 10 lakh. Okay. So the total numbers of word formed from above digit equal to, here total number is 7, total letter digit is 7, so 7 factorial divided by, here 2 repeated 1, 2, 3 times, so divided by 3 factorial into, here 4 repeated 2 times, just 2 factorial. So we have 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2. Just cancel out 3 and here 2, 420. Okay. Now these 420 words, okay, consist of the words starting with 0. Okay, should be starting with 0. So we should minus that words from this 420. Okay, so we now found the numbers of starting with 0. So if 0 is the in the first position, then there should be 6 digit here. So just cancel out this 0. So we have 6 digit. So from 6 digit we have, if we take 6 at a time, so there will be the number of the words equal to 6 factorial divided by, here 2 repeated 3 times, that means 3 factorial into, and 4 repeated 2 times, so equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Just cancel out 3 factorial, and here 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 2. So we have 60. words. Okay, so therefore the required number of numbers greater than 10 lakh will be just minus 60 from 420. We have 360 numbers. Okay. Now for this, here in how many ways can 5 girls and 3 boys seated in a row so that no 2 boys sit together? Okay, there should not be 2 boys together. Okay, so just look, 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4th girl and 5th girl here. Okay, so if we place one boy here, and then the next boy here, so 2 boys are not together, and then the next boy will be here. Okay, and if we interchange this, here one boy, here 2 boys, and here will be the 3 boys. Again, if we again interchange, this boy will be here, and this boy will be here, and this boy will be here. So in this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth. So there are 6 positions the boys can sit. Okay, so here the girls position has been fixed, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 girls can sit in 5 factorial ways. Okay, equal to 120 ways. Okay, and 3 boys can sit in how many ways? Here among 6 positions we have to find the 3 boys position. So in 6p 3 ways, that means 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So we have 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial. So just cancel out 120 ways. Okay, so therefore the required was equal to, just multiply this to 120 into 120. We have 144,000 ways. Okay, this will be the answer. Just look at this question. We now do the miscellaneous exercise of your NCERT textbook. Just look at this question. How many words with or without meaning, each of 2 vowel and 3 consonant, can be formed from the letter daughter? This type of example we have done. So just look, in daughter there is total vowel equal to, here A, U, E. Okay, that means 3, and consonant equal to D, G, H, T, R, that means 5. Okay, so from this 3 vowel, 2 vowel should be selected. So from this 2 vowel from 3 can be chosen in 3C2 way, and 3 consonant from this 5 can be chosen in 5C3 ways. Okay, so we will get the total combination by multiplying these two. Therefore the total combination will be 3C2 into 5C3. Just applying the formula, 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Just 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial, and here 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into here 2, 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial will be cancelled out, and here 2. That means we have 30 combination. So 30 combination consists of here 2 plus 3 letters. So each consists of 5 letters. So 5 letter can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Okay, so each combination can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Okay, So 30 combination can be arranged in 5 factorial into 30 ways. So we have 120 into 30, that means 3600 ways. Okay. And for this, just look, how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all letter of equation at a time, so that vowels and consonant occur together. So we first find the vowels. Here E, U, A, I, O. Okay. So we get this vowels. Okay. And consonant will be Q, T, L. Okay. So just look, here we get one group and we get one group. So we get two groups. So these two groups can be arranged in 2 factorials. Two groups can be arranged in 2 factorials. Okay. Now here the total number of vowel is 5. Okay. And here total number of consonant equal to 3. Okay. So these 5 vowels can be arranged in 5 factorials as there is no repetition. So these vowels arranged in 5 factorials and these 3 arranged in 3 factorials. Okay. So therefore we have 5 factorial, 3 factorial and 2 factorial. So the required ways will be 2 factorial into 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Just multiply of these two, these 3, we get here 2 into 5 factorial equal to 120, 3 factorial equal to 3 into 2. That means 12 into 120. That means 144. Okay, will be the answer. So just look at this question. A committee of 7 has to be formed from 9 boys and 4 girls. In how many ways can this be done when the committee consists of exactly 3 girls, at least 3 girls, at most 3 girls? So just for this first, we have here total boys equal to 9 and here total girls equal to 4. So exactly 3 girls, that means here should be 3 girls, and so we have from 7 3 are girls, so there are 4 boys. So 4 have been chosen from these 9 boys and 3 have been chosen from these 4 girls. So that will be the required boys equal to here 9C4 into 4C3. Just calculate this at home. Okay, this is your homework. And for these two, at least 3 girls. So there is the possibility of when at least 3. That means here 3 and here 4. At least 3 means we can choose the number above 3. So the girls should be 4. So then the boys will be 3. Girls will be 5. Up to 4 we have to choose. So the required way equal to boys equal to, when boys equal to 4, girls equal to 3. At least 3 condition has been exist here. So the possible ways will be here these 4 boys can be chosen from 9. So 9C4 into here 3 girls from 4. So 4C3. And there will be another group when girls equal to 4 and boys equal to 3. Okay. So these 3 boys can be chosen from 9. So there is NC3 into, and 4 girls will be chosen from 4. So 4C4. Just sum this, we will get the answer. This is your homework. Okay. And for this 3, at most 3 girls. That means there will be 0, 1, 2, 3 girls. Okay. So when girls equal to 0, boys equal to 7. When girls equal to 1, boys equal to 6. Girls equal to 2, boys equal to 5. When girls equal to 3, boys equal to 4. So the ways are here, out of 4, 0 girls. So 4C0 into, out of 9, 7 boys, 9C7. And here the ways will be 4C1 into 9C6. And here the ways will be 4C2 into 9C5. and here the ways will be 4C3 into 9C4. Just calculate this, and after this just adding this, we will get the value. This is your also homework. Okay. Then look at this question. If the different permutation of all letter of examination are listed in a dictionary, okay, how many words are there in the list before the first word starting with E? So in dictionary we know all the letters should be arranged in alphabetically. That means we have the words of all starting with A, then B, then C, dot 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 dot. And here in this word examination, so A will be the first letter, okay, of some words, and then after A E will come. Okay. So in this question, how many words are there in this list before the first word starting with E? That means before the words, first word starting with E. So we have to find the words, number of words that starting with A. So in examination, then look, there is 3, 6, 9, 11 letters. Okay. So in examination, there are 11 letters. If we take A as fixed, so just fixed A, we have 10 letters. Okay. So these 10 letters, by this 10 letter, we have to find the 10 factorial divided by. Here in examination, then look, I repeated 2 times. Okay. As A is fixed, so A has not been repeated. N repeated 2 times. Okay. And there is not. So 10 divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Just solve this. We get 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Just 2 factorial will cancel out, and this will be 2. So we have 10 into 72 into 42 into 30. Okay. So this will be just multiplying this, we have 72, 42, 4, 144, 8, 28, 4, 12. So 907200 will be the answer. Now look at this question. How many 3-digit number can be found from the digit 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9? Okay. Which are divisible by 10 and no digit repeated. So we know a number is divisible by 10. Then the number should contain 0 at the last position. Okay. So just look, here 6 digit letter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So at this position, 0th position, there should be 0. Okay. So we have to find this 5 digit arrangement. Okay. Now if we take 0 here, so 0 will be cancelled out from this digit. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. So 5 digits can be chosen in 5 ways. Okay. And if we taken 1 from this, we have 4 digits. So 4 can be chosen in 4 ways. And if we take from this, so there is 3. 3 can be chosen in 3 ways. And if we take 1 from this 3, there is 2. 2 can be chosen in 2 ways. And if we from 2 we can take 1, then there is 1. So 1 can be chosen in 1 way. Just multiply this. We have 20 into 6, that means 120 numbers. Okay. And look at this question. In English alphabet has 5 vowel and 21 consonant. How many ways? How many words with 2 different vowel and 2 different consonant can be found from this alphabet? So here vowel equal to 5, okay, and consonant equal to 21. So there is we have to select 2 different vowel. So from 5 we have to select 2, and 2 different consonant, that means from 21 we have to select 2 consonant. So there is 5 C2 ways, and here is out of 21 C2 ways. just multiply this. So we get the combination. So total nodes of combination equal to, just solve this, 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial, and here 21 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 19 factorial, that means 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 into 3 factorial, and here 21 into 20 into 19 factorial divided by 2 into 19 factorial. Just cancel out this, and this we have 2, here 10, that means 10 into 210 equal to 2100. Okay, so we get total number of combination. So here just look, each of the combination consists of 4 letters. So 4 letters arranged can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Okay, that means 4 into 3 into 2, that means 24 ways. So 2100 combination can be arranged in 24 into 2100 ways. Just solve this, 24 into 21. This value will be 50400. Okay. Now for this, in an exam, a question paper consists of 12 questions divided into 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, consisting of 5 and 7 questions separately. A student is required to attempt 8 questions in all, selecting at least 3 from each part. So here in part 1 there is 5 questions, and in part 2 there is 7 questions. Okay. So a student should be select at least 3 from this 2. So there is some possible ways. The possible ways is, if a student select at least 3 from part 1, so here will be 5 at part 2. So for this condition, we have out of 5, 3 in part 1 into out of 7, 5 in part 2 ways. Okay, and there is second condition, that means B. If he choose 4 in part 1, then he choose 4 from part 2. So this can be represent from 5 C4 into from 7 C4. Okay, then he can choose 5 from part 1 and choose 3 from part 2. So for this 3 we have 5 out of 5, 5C5 into 3 out of 7, that means 7C3. Just calculating this, we get 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 2 factorial. 5 factorial will be cancelled out, and here will be 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 4 into 3 factorial. Just cancel 3, 4, 4, we get 210. Okay, and here if we solve this, we have 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 1 factorial into 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. Therefore we have here 5 and here 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2, that means 6 will be cancelled out, 175, and here will be 1 into 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial, that means we have 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 into 2, then 4 will be cancelled out, 3, 2 will be cancelled out. Therefore total number of ways equal to 210 plus 175 plus 35. Just adding this we get 0. For 20 ways. Okay, let's look at this question. Determine 5 cards combination out of a deck of 52 cards. If each selection of 5 cards has exactly 1 key. So we know among 52 cards there is only 4 king. So king card will be 4, and so among 52 4 cards are king. So the race card will be 48. Okay. So from here we have to select 5 cards where 1 card exactly king and rest 4 cut should be from here. So the required number equal to here 4C1, 1 should be select from 4 into 4 should be select from 48. So 48C4. Just apply the formula. We have 4 factorial, 1 factorial divided by 3 factorial, and here 48 factorial divided by 4 factorial, and here 40 into 44 factorial. So we have 4 into 48 equal to 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 into 44 factorial divided by 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 44 factorial. So just cancel out this, 4 will be cancelled out, and here 1 6 and here 8. So we have 47 into 46 into 45 into 77832 will be the answer. Okay, then look at the question. It is required to set 5 men and 4 women in a row. Okay, so that the women occupy the even places. So just imagine here for the first position, here this is the first position, this is the second position, this is third position, this is fourth position, this is fifth position, this is sixth position, this is seventh position, this is eighth position, and this is ninth position. Okay, so in even place there should be women. So for the second woman, in fourth woman, sixth woman, and in eighth woman, and rest will be the men. 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the woman in fourth position, so the woman can sit in here 1 2 3 4 in 4 places. That means in 4 factorial ways 4 women can be sit in 4 factorial ways, and the men can sit in here 1 2 3 4 5. That means 5 factorial ways. Just multiplying this we get 4 factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2, and 5 factorial equal to 120. That means 24 into 120. That means 2880. Okay, will be the answer. Now look at this question. From a class of 25 students, 10 are to be chosen for an excursion party. Okay, there are 3 students who decide that either all of them will join or none of them will not join. Okay, none of them will join. In how many ways the excursion party will be chosen? So there is 2 conditions. Either 3 students will join or none of them will join. So for the case 1, 3 students will join. Okay, we have, if 3 students will join, then there is, we have to find 7 more students for the excursion party, and there is 10 students in the excursion party. So we have chosen 3 from 25. So there is 22 left. So the next 7 will be chosen from 22. So the 7 students will be chosen from 22. So in 22C 7 ways we can choose that. Okay, and case 2, when none of 3 students will join. So there are 22 students in the class. If they are not joined, so out of 22 we have to choose 10 students. So 10 students can chosen from 22 in 22C 10 ways. So just adding this we get the required ways. Okay, equal to 22 factorial divided by 7 factorial into 22 minus 7 equal to 15 factorial plus 22 factorial divided by 10 factorial into 12 factorial. This is the required ways. Okay. Now for this, in how many ways can the letter of word association be arranged so that all A's are together? Okay. Here in association, there look, S repeated 4 times. So as A's are together, there is a in the question, so we write the 4s. So we can take this 4s as one letter. Okay, so there are total 3, 6, 9, 13 letter. Okay, from 13 letter, if we take 4, there is only 9 letter left. So this total letter, now the total letter is 10. Okay, so from this 10, we can choose this letter as in 10 factorial divided by, here a repeated 2, 3, well, divided by 3 factorial, a repeated 3 times, and n repeated 2 times, 2 factorial, into I repeated 2 times, just 2 factorial. Okay, and here this s, that means all the s can be represented in, there is 4s, so 4 factorial divided by 4, s repeated 4 times, then 4 factorial by 4s. So just calculating this, we get 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 into 2, and 4 will be cancelled out, 3 factorial will be cancelled out, and 2 will be cancelled out by 4. So we have 72 into 42 into 50. So just calculating, we get, so we have 151,200. Okay, will be the answer. So that's all for today's class. We have completed all the miscellaneous example and the exercise. If any doubt, then please comment in our comment box. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the like button and share with your friends. Okay, thanks for watching our video.